Hi friends, this is Tomo. Today I will show you how to make origami Mount Hood and Mount Fuji. So get the blue origami paper and keep the white side up and make a colored triangle. So match one corner on the diagonal side, any corner is fine. Open the paper and find the center line right here and pick up the corner on the center line and match the corner on the other side and make a triangle one more time. Open the paper, this time keep the colored side up and match these two corners and the edge on the other side and make a white rectangle like this. And open the paper and rotate the paper, and this time pick up two corners, two on the other side, and make a white rectangle. And this white rectangle has the 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. See the wrinkles, 4 triangles. Excellent. When you're done, this time open the paper and keep the white side up. And this time we are going to match 4 corners on the center of the origami paper, one by one, like this. Yeah, it's like making the cookie catcher or fortune teller. Okay, you got it? Excellent. And when you are done, this time we are going to pick up this corner on the center and match the corner on the center of the edge right here where the wrinkle meets the edge. And we're going to do exactly the same thing for other corners. Well done. And when you're done, this time we are going to make this zigzag part right here. So pick up this corner and match the corner on the center of this edge, like this. Can you see it? And after this, open that little corner and match the corner on the center of this new cross. Can you see? There's a little cross-shaped wrinkle right here. So match this corner right here on the center of the cross, and then we are going to mountain fold this wrinkle right here like this. And after this, match this edge on the edge right here like this. So when you're done, you will see a zigzag shape like this. And we are going to do exactly the same thing for other white triangles. So match this corner on the edge, center of this edge like this. Unfold it, match this corner on the center of the cross right here. And we are going to mountain fold this wrinkle, mountain fold, and match this edge and this edge together. Alright, now we are going to do the same thing 2 more times. So match this corner on the center of the edge right here, unfold it, match this corner on the center of the cross here, and mountain fold this edge right here and match this edge and this edge together like this. And one more, the last one, match this corner on the center of the edge right here, unfold it and match this corner on the center of the cross right here. Got it? And we're going to mountain fold this wrinkle right here and match this edge and this edge together. All done. So when we are done, we will see a shape of a flame or kind of looks like a mailing stamp. And when we are done, we are going to use this X mark wrinkle. So make an upside down triangle and open it a little bit and squish it like a shape of an X mark. And make a triangle so you can see the shape of the mount hood. And change the page, squish it, and also watch out for the corners. Turn it over, change the page, and when you're done you will see a shape of an X mark. And ta-da! You just made the mount hood. And after this mount hood, we are going to make Mount Fuji. So this time we are going to fold this top corner just a tiny bit. It's gonna be nice if you can match this corner on the center wrinkle right here and unfold it. And we're going to use the exactly same wrinkle and for mountain fold. I'll fold it to the other side and unfold it. After this, we are going to unfold this mountain a little bit, and can you see the square with the X mark on the center? So we're gonna push this part inside, push this X mark inside, and we are going to push this in and make a little X mark right here. And ta-da! You just made Mount Fuji. Well done everyone. See you next time.